Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah. I know that a few of you guys are new subscribers and I really appreciate you guys coming to my channel. I'm assuming that most of you guys are from Tiara Walker's Instagram story. She reposted a look that I did, which was inspired by her. And a few of you guys came to my YouTube, commented, and subscribed, and I really appreciate that. Also, before I start, I want to thank Tiara one more time for reposting me. That was very, very, very kind, and you didn't have to do that. I really appreciate it. So this is the original footage filmed the same day that I recorded my intro, and as you can see, it's a little bit out of focus. So fast forward to the next day, my boyfriend helped me record it, and it is in focus. So I hope you enjoy it. Also, as you can see, I forgot to put on this necklace, so the necklace is missing, but you probably didn't even notice. So anytime you are doing anything involving touching your face, you want to make sure that your hands are clean. You never want to touch your face with anything dirty because that's what's going to lead to breakouts. So the first thing that I do in my skincare routine is cleanse my face using the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. This face wash is very conditioning on the skin. It sort of feels like a moisturizing balm on your face, almost. If you were to forget to put on moisturizer afterwards, your face would still feel hydrated. It wouldn't feel as hydrated, obviously, if you were to follow up with your normal skincare, but it still doesn't leave your face feeling very dry and tight. When you dry your face, you want to make sure that you're patting your face dry. You never want to rub. You really never want to rub any part of your body, any part of your skin, but definitely not your face. That extra rubbing on your face can lead to premature wrinkling. So moving on to the next step, I'm going to use the Glossier Solution Exfoliating Skin Perfector. I have been using this product for about a month now, and I do really like it. I don't know my opinion about it really yet. I just know that it hasn't made my skin worse since using it. And even after I finish applying it, there's this brightness to my face. The only apprehension I have towards it is the fact that it did make my boyfriend break out. And it did make me get like one pimple on my hairline, but I'm not sure if that was from the solution or just from me not washing around my hairline well. So the next step is the serum, and the serum I use is the Glossier Super Bounce Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And out of all the steps in my skincare routine, this is the step that I see the best results with. It just leaves my face looking very hydrated, plump, and like I drank all the water I need for the day. And it's actually the best serum I've ever used. No serum has really shown me the results like this one. So now it's time to moisturize, and the moisturizer I use is the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich. I just felt like the other moisturizer wasn't going to be as moisturizing as I needed, so the Rich one definitely works for what I need. It just adds that extra glow that the serum doesn't leave. So after I moisturize, I go in with a sunscreen, and the sunscreen I'm using right now is the Glossier Invisible Shield Sunscreen in SPF 35, and I really like this sunscreen because it leaves my face looking moisturized and hydrated instead of making myself look like ashy or some crazy flashback or this weird white or lavender cast. So I like it because it does exactly what it's supposed to do, and that's protect me from the sun. So my last and final step in my skincare routine, and often people's most overlooked, is my lip care. I definitely don't like my lips to look crusty and chapped, but this winter in California has been so dry. And so I have really been loving the Balm.com lip moisturizer from Glossier. I really like this cherry one because of the nice tint that it gives my lips. Like, I haven't found a lip tint this natural and good on my lips and like the most hydrating ever in any line. So I really have been enjoying this product, and as you can see, everything just looks very hydrated, natural, and glowy. So I've really been loving my Glossier skincare routine, and I definitely will be continuing to use it. Stay strong, it won't be much longer, 'cause I hear
crying out for me.